Ready to transform your Follow-Up Boss data from simple numbers into powerful, actionable insights? First, navigate to the reporting section of Follow-Up Boss. It's usually found in the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it. Now, let's fine-tune what data we want to visualize. Utilize the Filters section. You can filter by date range, team members, deal stages, sources, and much more. Play around with these filters to focus on the specific information you need. See the Report Type drop-down menu. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of report options like lead source, deal pipeline, or team performance. Choose the report that best suits the insights you're seeking. Voila! A graph is generated based on your selected filters and report type. In this example, we're looking at a bar graph showing lead sources and their conversion rates. Want to customize your graph even further? Look for the customization options. You can often change the chart type from bar graphs to pie charts or line graphs and add or remove data points to focus on specific aspects. And finally, to share your insights. Most Follow-Up Boss dashboards allow you to download or export your graphs. Look for a Download or Export button, usually located near the graph itself, so you can easily incorporate these visuals into presentations or reports. That's it. Now go and unlock the power of your data with Follow-Up Boss graphs.